Using corn flour, roll out white fondant. With the help of pizza cutter, shape out the ears for the unicorn. Now shape out the small inner ears for the unicorn. Dab some water and stick the inner ears on the bigger ones. Roll out the white fondant to make the horn for the unicorn. Roll them out in a tapered rope and twist them around each other to form the horn for the unicorn. Insert the wooden screwer to hold the horn. Using edible gold, paint the inner ear of the unicorn. Now paint one side of the horn and let it dry. Using a pellet knife, put some blue whipped cream on the side of the cake, and now using a cake smoother, run it along the sides of the cake. Now repeat the same on the top also. Sharpen the edges of the cake using the icing smoother to get a neat, clean cake. Using a pellet knife, place the smaller tier on the bigger one, making it into a two-tier cake. Roll out some blue fondant into a thin rope and place it around both the tiers as shown. You can do a second coating on the front side of the horn. And now paint the other side of the horn that was remaining to get a complete golden unicorn horn. Now place the unicorn horn and the ears on the cake as shown. I am using 3 different types of tips to pipe the mane of the unicorn. Using light pink whipped cream, we pipe rosettes using the tip 2D. The second tip is $1.99. It has dark pink icing. We are making small swirls and dots. Now using the third tip, it's an open star tip 21 with blue icing. We are piping out small stars and mini rosettes. Now you can fill the unicorn mane using these 3 piping tips. Using a round cutter, make a mark for the eyelashes. Now pipe out the ganache to make the eyelashes. Now repeat the same on the other side. But make sure that the ganache is not too runny. Roll out a white fondant and cut it into a band to write the birthday message. I am using edible black gel color to write the message. Put some water on the cake board and place the band so that it sticks well. Roll out some blue and pink fondant and cut some flowers with the flower cutter and place it on the foam mat. Using the ball tool, we swirl the ball tool in the center of the flower to give it a raised look as shown. Dab some water on the cake board and place the flowers. Roll out pink fondant in a shape which has two tapered ends and a bulge in the center. Now dab some water and join the two ends. Now we are shaping the ribbon for the bow. Place the ribbons first and adjust the bow accordingly on top.